Good morning. Welcome to Easy English 365. I'm your teacher, and today is day 1 of our journey together. Our topic today is waking up. Before we start, I want you to remember this sentence. We will hear it 3 times today. Every morning is a new start. Let's begin. Every day the sun comes up, and every day we wake up. Waking up is the first thing we do in the morning. It's simple, but it's important. Today you will learn 20 words and 20 sentences about waking up. These are words you can use every single day. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together. Now let's learn 20 words about waking up. I will say the word, then an example. Please repeat after me. Number 1. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Number 2. Alarm. My alarm is very loud. Number 3. Ring. The alarm rings at 6. Number 4. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours. Number 5. Dream. I had a nice dream. Number 6. Bed. I get out of bed slowly. Number 7. Pillow. My pillow is very soft. Number 8. Blanket. The blanket is warm. Number 9. Stretch. I stretch my arms in the morning. Number 10. Yawn. I yawn because I'm tired. Number 11. Tired. I feel tired in the morning. Number 12. Sleepy. I'm still sleepy. Number 13. Awake. I'm awake now. Number 14. Early. I wake up early. Number 15. Late. Don't wake up late. Number 16. Sunlight. The sunlight comes through the window. Number 17. Window. I open the window. Number 18. Fresh air. I breathe the fresh air. Number 19. Bathroom. I go to the bathroom first. Number 20. Brush. I brush my teeth. Great job! You just learned 20 words. Now let's learn 20 sentences. These are short, simple sentences you can use every morning. I will say the sentence in English. Please repeat after me. Number 1. It's time to wake up. Number 2. My alarm went off. Number 3. I turned off the alarm. Number 4. I don't want to get up. Number 5. Just 5 more minutes. Number 6. I need to get out of bed. Number 7. I feel sleepy. Number 8. I slept very well last night. Number 9. I didn't sleep well. Number 10. I had a strange dream. Number 11. I stretch my body. Number 12. I open my eyes slowly. Number 13. I open the window. Number 14. The sunlight is beautiful. Number 15. I take a deep breath. Number 16. I feel awake now. Number 17. I go to the bathroom. Number 18. I brush my teeth. Number 19. I wash my face. Number 20. I'm ready for a new day. Very good. You're doing great. Now let me tell you a short story about my morning. Just listen and imagine. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings. I don't want to get up. I say, just 5 more minutes, but I know I need to get out of bed. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms and yawn. I feel a little sleepy. I had a nice dream last night. I slept very well. I get out of bed and walk to the window. I open the window. The sunlight is beautiful. I breathe the fresh air. I take a deep breath. Now I feel awake. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look in the mirror and smile. Every morning is a new start. I'm ready for a new day. Now let's review what we learned today. Just listen and repeat softly. Wake up. Alarm. Ring. Sleep. Dream. Bed. Pillow. Blanket. Stretch. Yawn. Tired. Sleepy. Awake. Early. Late. Sunlight. Window. Fresh air. Bathroom. Brush. It's time to wake up. My alarm went off. I don't want to get up. Just 5 more minutes. I feel sleepy. I slept very well last night. I open the window. The sunlight is beautiful. I brush my teeth. I'm ready for a new day. And remember our sentence for today. Every morning is a new start. Thank you for learning with me today. You did a wonderful job on day 1. Tomorrow we will learn about morning routine. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.